to my channel. This is Cash Flow Stacy, and today I want to talk about my favorite indicator, technical analysis indicator when I am trading stock. And I have my chart pulled up today. This is a platform called Thinkorswim, and I got a company called Apple. Pretty sure everybody's aware of Apple. I got it pulled up, and here's my top chart. This is my volume. The second chart below that. The third chart is the RSI chart, and the last one is what we call the MACD. And my favorite technical analysis tool here is what we call the RSI, and that is the relative strength index. And what that is it's a momentum indicator that measures the strength of a security, which is a stock, same thing. So it measures the strength, the price strength, and it's a technical indicator that is commonly used to identify whether the stock is overbought on the high side or if it's oversold on the low side. This RSI ranges from 0 to 100, with readings above 70 indicating overbought conditions and readings below 30 indicating oversold conditions. So if you take a look at this chart up top, you notice that the candlesticks on this chart are they go down, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, they go up. And that's just the nature of a stock. You know, price goes down, price goes up, price goes down, price goes up every day. And these prices need to go up and down in order to make money and to have some type of volume. Well, this middle technical indicator right here, the RSI, the one I have my mouse pointing on, it does the same thing. It follows price. Now, over here to the right is where we measure the relative strength index. We have the 30 here, which is purple. The purple line is the 30 line, and the 70 line is the green line. So it's not complicated to read this chart. It's just highs and lows, highs and lows. So in this case right here, if you follow the relative strength index, as you see it climbs up here to the green line, which is 70, you also on the actual candlestick chart, you see the price of the stock climbs up. Here the stock was at 128, and the stock ran from 128 all the way up to 174. So if you were trading this stock, you may want to consider, once the relative strength index got around 70, that the price of the stock was peaked out, meaning there were more buyers in there and the price of the stock wasn't going up anymore. So chances are it was going to sell off, which it did. So you notice once it got here to the 70, here again, the price was at the peak. If you look at the candlestick, it wicked up, and then it started losing strength and the volume was low. What happened? It started trailing down. It started trailing down here. And again, here on the relative strength index chart, it's trailing down. Here, it's at a low. On the relative strength index chart, it's at a low. When it got to this low on the relative strength index, it was technically oversold. So then you have the buyers that say, oh, wow, Apple's at a great price now. You know, Apple was at this point, it was at 138. And, well, I'm sorry. Yeah, it was at 138. So the buyers said, oh, it's a great price. Let me buy in again. So if you look at that time, the relative index showed that it was oversold. And so buyers started to dive in. They started buying up the stock. And when that happens, the price of the stock goes back up. And here it is. It goes back up again. So this indicator right here, I really like. Um, all indicators aren't accurate. They're not 100%, but this is what we call technical analysis. This is data of price going up and down. We follow this chart here a lot over here at Cash Flow, and we have a very strong winning percentage. Same thing here. But like I said, it's not always 100% right, but it does give you pretty good moves as far as when to buy in and when to sell off. Here, it didn't quite hit the 70, but it got close. And once it got close to the 70, as you can see, the price of the stock sold off. So if you are on the Thinkorswim platform, I can do a quick tutorial to show you how you can add this to your chart. What you want to do up top, you want to hit the hourglass, and these are your tools. Thinkorswim. This platform has tons of indicators, tons of tools that you can use to try to use technical analysis to predict which way the stock is going to go. But in your studies, you want to click on RSI, and then you want to go to click on the RSI tab here, and it's going to bring it up into your added studies and strategies. And what I like to do with the RSI is I like to change the colors for green when it's at the 70 and purple when it's at the 30, kind of like the Credible Hulk theme. Credible Hulk, when he was strong, he was green. When he was weak, he was purple. And am I on RSI? Let's go back here. Yeah, so I go in, I like to change my overbought and my oversold lines to different colors. So you go to oversold, and you can click here, and you can select your colors. I always go to more and add a purple line, and then I'll go over to overbought, and I'll add my green line. And then all I have to do is hit apply, and it will add the chart. So that's one of my favorite charts right there. I just wanted to give you guys that tip. If you think my video was helpful and it can improve your strategies, give me a thumbs up. Also join the channel. On this channel, we talk about stocks, real estate, business, and passive cash flow. My name is Stacy. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.